Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am actually sitting here filming, correction, I'm going to take that back. I am sitting here editing a spoiler video for November BoxyCharm where I was talking all about the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. We go into a full tutorial on this beautiful palette. We talk about the Catrice Beauty Antioxidant Dew Serum, and I am going to link that video right up here. However, as that is happening, I just got notification for another spoiler, so I do want to come on here and tell you about that. So if you want to see 2 more fabulous products coming in your November BoxyCharm, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see what is coming in the box, keep on watching. Alright, so first, we did get the first official premium box spoiler for the month. I'm going to put a picture right up here, but it is the NATASHA Denona blush palette. It is beautiful. I'm obsessed with the formula. I don't have that one, so I'm really excited to get it. I do have her original diamond blush palette, and the formula is the same. The only difference is the colors, and honestly, the formula is absolutely beautiful. I love that there are creams and powders. I love that there is a little cubby so that you don't get any powder in the creams so that they don't dry out. I have used the one that is coming in the box, but I have not personally, I don't own it, but I've used it. I was in Sephora. I played with it. It's beautiful. The tones are a little more fall and a little more bronzy, which I think is going to go beautiful on deeper tones or with a light hand, even on fairer tones. But that is super exciting that NATASHA Denona is coming in a box. Next, I actually did just get this in PR from BoxyCharm, and I'm going to post a link or a picture right here of a customer service email that went out to several charmers talking about a Dose of Colors lipstick option and a Shimmering Skin Perfector from BECCA. So we don't know offhand what the shades on the Shimmering Skin Perfector are. However, I am definitely a fan of the formula. I have quite a few of the BECCA highlighters. The 2 I have right here are Champagne Pop and Prosecco Pop. They are just absolutely stunning. These are a little bit more for like fair skin. I'm going to take a little bit of Champagne Pop right here, just so you guys can see how absolutely blinding it is. Do you see how that just like instantly boosted up so much of the glow? These are fabulous. They wear beautifully. They do not accentuate texture, and they are stunning. It looks like that there was one of the bronzers in there too. So I don't know what shades are available yet, but as soon as I do, trust me, I will let you know. But the reason I'm filming this video right now, and I know it's going to be a fast video, is the Dose of Colors collaboration. So it was 2 nudes and 2 reds in that picture, but we're not really too sure about what the shades are. So I'm actually going to share that with you guys right now. So the 4 shades that I did get from BoxyCharm, and I will put a picture right here of a post I put on Instagram. It is all about the 4 lip colors. I have them right here, and I'm going to walk you through all 4. It seems like this is a collaboration, that these are not shades that are currently in the Dose of Colors line. I am going to look that up right now just to double check. So I'm not seeing these shades, which it does say that it is BoxyCharm X Dose of Colors. So the 4 shades are So the 4 shades are Flirty, Charm, Date Night, and Nude Mood. I'm going to swatch all 4 of them for you right now. I'm going to start lightest to darkest. The first one is the shade Flirty. And I have used the Dose of Colors lipstick formula in the past, and they are absolutely stunning. They wear so nicely. So this is the shade Flirty. It is a very pretty pinky nude. This is like that go-to shade for a lot of people, myself included. Today I did go a little peachier, but you know I love a nude pink lip. The next color is Nude Mood, and this one is going to be a little bit on the peachier side. I'm going to swatch that right next door. It is also a little bit darker. This is a little bit more like what I'm wearing today. I love a peachy lip, especially when you're going with such vibrant colors on the eyes, where you don't want it to be quite as warm as a pink. The next shade is Date Night, which I think is going to be the favorite for a lot of people. It is a true red. When I first swatch it, you see how beautifully vibrant it is? It almost has like a blue fuchsia undertone. I wouldn't necessarily call it a blue red, but it is definitely a lot closer to a blue red than like an orangey red. And the last color, which I was obviously the most excited for, this is the shade Charm, which is a vampy deep blood red. These shades are so hard to perfect. And do you see how stunning that is? It's like a brick terracotta. It almost reminds me of Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star, which you guys know is my favorite lipstick of all time. That color is just so stunning. But this formula is super long wearing and super comfortable. These are the 4 shades right here. So one of these 4 is going to be in the box. The one thing I'm going to recommend for you guys is in that email, which I'm going to put the screenshot right here one last time. It does say that the color for the Shimmering Skin Perfector and the color for the lipstick is going to be based on your beauty quiz. So if you haven't already taken the beauty quiz talking all about the products and colors and shades that you like, you are leaving it up to chance to get any one of these, which honestly, I don't think I'm going to get too much use out of the red, but the other 3 are absolutely stunning, and you will be seeing all of them on me, on camera, off camera, the works. They are beautiful. But if you are partial to a pinky nude versus a peachy nude versus the tone of red you like, make sure you get on to BoxyCharm.com, you enter your information, and you take that beauty quiz to make sure you get the color you're going to want. I'm also going to link right down below a bunch of things, but the first thing I'm going to link is the Facebook group BoxyCharm Beauties. I've said it before, but that group is a swap and sell Facebook group where if you get this color in your box, but you want that color, you can go on there and say, hey, I have the shade Flirty and I want to trade it for the shade Charm. And someone on there, odds are, wants what you want. This month in the box, in the October box, it was the Dose of Colors palettes. There were 7 different options, and all in that group, I just kept seeing people, I'm swapping out Sassy Siennas, I want Blushing Berries, I want Marvelous Mauves, I have Baked Browns. And it's just really a great way to swap out, get something you want, and possibly get rid of something you might not have liked for the option you want a little bit more. Great opportunity to just, again, make the most out of your box. What I do love is that BoxyCharm is into customization, and they want you to take this beauty quiz because they really do genuinely want to send you products you're going to enjoy. However, in the off chance that you don't get something you're in love with, that site is amazing because you can swap it out for something you are going to love. The second thing I'm going to link is my referral code to join BoxyCharm. If you haven't signed up yet, there is a link down there. Yes, it is a commission, and I do get a little bit of a percentage when you purchase through that link. But if you want to get these colors and you have not yet signed up, use that link down below and make sure you sign up for BoxyCharm. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other spoilers or anything else that you are super excited for, drop it in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.